Welcome back to Pam's Blog Vibes. I'm Pam and I'm so excited to be back with another video. So to all my new subscribers, don't forget to comment below on what you think of this video, and to all my new subscribers, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. I truly appreciate you tuning in, and I'm thanking you in advance for watching. So today what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be getting this bedroom together. Oh yeah, we're going to get this bedroom together, get it all cleaned up. It's going to be a quick clean, and I'm going to show you how I get down. I am going to be putting away my shoes, my clothing. I'm going to be dusting and cleaning my tables. I am going to be putting some new linen on the bed, just getting everything nice and neat and organized. I'm going to be sweeping, but guys, let me show you my new TV. This is my new TV. I am so excited to have it. It is a 50-inch VIZIO. I did get it from Walmart. As you can see, it's got great color, great picture. It's got all the apps. It's got all of the apps. It even has the free watch, Hulu, all of the apps that you normally would be looking for. I love the color. I super love the price. I'm going to show you guys where I did record, where I did put it on the wall. And so we're going to go to that now, and then we're going to come back, and then we're going to get started on this room. So I got the no stud TV hanger here. It's the 2655-inch TV hanger, and so this is what's inside. We got the instruction manual with the instructions. So let's see. Bear with me, I'm trying to open this with one hand. So here we go. All right. And then we have everything that's inside. We have the screws, the bolts. We also have a balancer, which is super good. Then we have just the two brackets, one for the wall itself with an adhesive strip, and then we have the bracket that actually goes to the back of the TV. So yeah. And then we have, this is a security string. So you attach the security string to the middle screw, like so. And this part will actually go through the middle of the bracket here. So if the TV should fall, it would catch here, and therefore the TV would not go to the floor. So yeah. I just got it all together. I just pulled it all together. So this is what it is looking like. Let's check it out. So everything is put away nice and neatly. Everything is clean. I'm going to take this and add this to the other socket on the other side. So that's a job to do. And this is how it came out. Nice and clean. Really cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think I'm going to get me another plant and put here. But yeah, it's a work in progress. Super, super cute. Really, really nice. And it is looking fabulous. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it. So I am going to end the video here. Don't mind my shiny face because I'm going to be taking a shower and getting all ready for bed. And so don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.